Hey everyone, welcome back to Wireless Solutions, the channel where we bring you the best tech tips and tricks to make your mobile experience better. In today's video, we will be looking at how you can boost productivity by using some of the most essential Android apps for business professionals. Today, we will be discussing task management apps, cloud storage solutions, communication tools, document editing apps, time tracking and invoicing apps. By the end of this video, you will have a powerful lineup of apps to increase your productivity. Task management. Stay organized with Todoist. First up on our list is Todoist. Todoist helps you stay on top of your tasks by organizing them into lists, projects, and even categories like work or personal. You can set due dates and reminders for tasks, so you never miss a deadline. The app integrates with Google Calendar and other tools, making it easier to manage everything in one place. You can even collaborate with teammates by sharing tasks and projects. It is an excellent app to help you keep track of all your to-dos in an organized way, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. Cloud storage. Access your files anywhere with Google Drive. Next up, let us talk about Google Drive, one of the most reliable and widely used cloud storage solutions. What makes Google Drive a great productivity tool? You get 15 gigabytes of free storage with your Google account, which can be expanded with paid plans. It allows real-time collaboration on documents, spreadsheets, and presentations using Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides. You can easily share files with coworkers or clients with a simple link. Communication. Stay connected with Slack. When it comes to communication, Slack is a game changer. Why should business professionals use Slack? It organizes conversations into channels, which makes it easier to track specific topics or projects. It supports direct messaging, group chats, and even video calls. Document editing. Create and edit on the go with Microsoft Office Mobile. This suite includes Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, all optimized for mobile devices, so you can work on documents, spreadsheets, and presentations anywhere. What makes it a must-have? You can create, edit, and view documents directly from your Android phone. It integrates with OneDrive for seamless cloud storage, so your files are always backed up. The interface is user-friendly and designed for smaller screens, making it easy to work from your phone without feeling cramped. Time tracking and invoicing. Manage your time and money with Toggle and FreshBooks. Toggle is a time tracking app that lets you record how much time you spend on different tasks and projects. This is especially helpful if you are a freelancer or consultant billing clients by the hour. You can generate reports to see where your time is going and adjust your workload to be more efficient. FreshBooks, on the other hand, is an invoicing and accounting app designed to simplify billing. You can create and send professional invoices, track expenses, and even manage client payments. FreshBooks integrates with many other apps like PayPal and Stripe, making it easy to get paid on time. These apps help you stay productive by keeping your time and finances in check, ensuring you stay on top of your business operations. And there you have it, 5 essential Android apps that will help boost your productivity as a business professional. From staying organized with Todoist to managing your documents with Google Drive and Microsoft Office, staying connected with Slack, and tracking your time and finances with Toggle and FreshBooks. These apps are designed to make your work life easier and more efficient. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to Wireless Solutions, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss out any of our future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one. Bye for now.